Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cybersecurity tools with Tenable, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your cybersecurity goals and objectives. Identify critical assets within your network that need protection. Choose the right Tenable product that aligns with your specific needs. Download and install the Tenable solution of your choice. Follow the installation wizard for configuration settings. Connect the tool to your network and integrate it with other security solutions. Set up user accounts and permissions to control access. Conduct an initial network scan to establish a baseline of vulnerabilities. Review scan results for high-risk vulnerabilities that need immediate attention. Prioritize vulnerabilities based on risk level and potential impact. Create and implement a remediation plan for addressing identified vulnerabilities. Utilize Tenable's reporting features to generate compliance and risk assessment reports. Leverage dashboards to monitor real-time security status and trends. Schedule regular scans to ensure ongoing security posture. Stay updated with the latest Tenable patches and upgrades. Engage in continuous training for your team on emerging cybersecurity threats. Review and refine your cybersecurity strategy based on the data gathered. Backup configurations and reports regularly for document lessons learned to improve future security practices. Establish a feedback loop to continuously enhance your cybersecurity posture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.